Is the pull cord on your Toro mower stuck or refusing to budge? Don't worry, this is a super common issue, and in most cases it's something you can fix yourself. So we've teamed up with the good people at Toro to walk you through the most common reasons your pull cord gets stuck, and how to get it working in no time. To help demonstrate, today we have this beast of a Toro lawnmower. It's self-propelled, has a 6.75 horsepower engine, a 3-in-1 deck, and it's electric start. So let's get into it. Before you do anything, make sure the mower is turned off and completely cooled down. Disconnect the spark plug boot to prevent accidental starting. If the pull cord won't move at all, the engine itself might be locked. Carefully tilt the mower and check underneath for anything blocking the blade. Remove any grass, sticks, or buildup that could prevent it from turning. Another common issue is something called hydrolock. This happens when oil or fuel gets into the cylinder, making the engine hard or impossible to turn. If you've recently tipped your mower the wrong way, this could be the cause. Remove the spark plug and gently pull the cord again. If it moves now, excess fluid may have been the issue. If the engine spins freely, but the cord is still stuck, the issue is likely the recoil starter itself. Remove the blower housing to access the starter assembly. You may need to open the starter assembly to untangle or reposition the rope. If the rope is frayed or worn, it's best to replace it entirely. If the spring is broken or won't hold tension, the cord won't retract properly. In this case, replacing the entire recoil starter assembly is usually the most reliable solution. It's a simple repair and often more cost-effective than replacing the individual parts. Once everything is repaired or replaced, reinstall the starter and blower housing. If you had to remove your fuel tank, reinstall it now. Reconnect the spark plug. Give the cord a few test pulls. It should move smoothly and retract without resistance. If everything feels good, go ahead and start the mower. A properly maintained mower should start easily within a couple of pulls. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. A stuck pull cord might seem like a big problem, but most of the time it's a quick, easy fix. And a big thank you to our friends at Toro for helping make this video possible. And if you need replacement parts for your repair, visit PartSelect.com to get manufacturer-approved parts guaranteed to fit your Toro mower. Take care, and we'll see you next time.